Hey everybody, Miss Jeannie here again. So today I'm here to show you how to make two more things on our weekly learning plan. One of them is going to be the cowbell and the other one is going to be the mud. So first off, to make the cowbell, you're going to need some paper and some glue. My stuff is all here but missing, and you'll need a can. And I didn't have any bells, so I'm going to use a rock. And you'll need some string. And then I used a nail and a hammer to get my nail in there a little bit. More like a sledgehammer because my hammer's up on the roof. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my white paper around. So it'll be a fun instrument for the kiddos. And I'm going to glue it here at the end because I'm out of tape. So I'm hoping this glue works well. I'm going to put some glue all over my can. Anyway, just to keep it on there. It looks like I'm running low on that too, guys. Oh no! I'm going to have to go do some school shopping, huh? So I'm going to go ahead and roll my paper on here. And I'm just going to go ahead and overlap it over here so I know that it sticks. Okay. So just like that, I rolled it right in there. And the seam. Now, it's much bigger than my can, so I gotta go down here to the start of my can. You could do that part before if you want, but you can also do it this way. And moms and dads know this, but kiddos, you gotta be careful when you use a can because sometimes they have sharper edges, so I might maybe put some tape around that so nobody gets it. So there, now my can is white. And I'm gonna take my marker. It seems like my markers keep disappearing. I wonder who does that, but I'm just gonna go ahead and make no face on this guy, but I'm just gonna make some dots because a lot of cows, or spots rather, a lot of cows have spots on them. So they could practice their coloring skills on here. You could do any color. I got a purple cow. And I think I'm just going to put 4 spots on my cow for today because that's our number. And I'll make this last one, number 4, super big. So I'm just coloring in my spots. There, just like that. There's my spots, and you can make as many as you want, as few as you want. I don't laugh, dads, but I couldn't find the hammer, so I grabbed this little sledgehammer. I just took a nail, so this is going to be for moms or dads to do, or grandpas. And I'm going to just put it in there, just enough to make a hole. I don't need to keep the nail in there, but it's loud. Just enough to make a circle in there, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and get my string through there, which I might have to use my nail as a helper. I didn't make this one before because I didn't have any extra cans, and guess what, guys? It's not working like I was hoping, so I'm going to go ahead and hammer that in again and try and get that in there. I didn't have any, there we go. I didn't have any pipe cleaners. That's what it called for, but when you don't have what you need, you modify it, right? So again, just be careful. I have a bigger can, but I got my string through here so you can see. And I'm going to take my rock and I'm just going to tie it around here. And tape would probably work, or glue, but if you had some strong glue, you need to let it dry. But I'm going to just tie it up and hope it works. But if you have bells, you can use bells or anything really that will make noise. It's just more of a noise maker. And I'm going to pull it back in there. And then I'm just going to cut a little bit of this off up here. Cut. Maybe tie it so it doesn't fall out. But I hear it. So that's my cowbell. The bell will definitely make a louder sound, but and I can adjust it with my string. See if it makes different noise. But so there's the cowboy bell. You can make a cowbell this weekend. Go with all the farm stuff we got going on. All right. So put that over there. Get rid of some of this other stuff we don't need. And now we're going to make the mud. The mud that was on the learning plan. And what you need for the mud. And this is kind of like it feels like mud, looks like mud. I haven't made it yet, so hopefully it turns out. But you do need quite a bit of cornstarch for this one. 3.5 to 4 cups. You need 1 package of instant pudding, any kind. I had vanilla at home, so I'm going to use that. And then some cocoa powder, and then water. So first we're going to start off by mixing the cornstarch, the pudding, and the cocoa powder together. And then we add in the water as needed. And you can make it, if you want it less sticky, you would add more water in it. So it calls for 3.5 to 4 cups. So I got my 1 cup and my half, and I'm going to start with that first. See how that works out. I'm going to go buy some more cornstarch, but that's all right. Oh, made a mess. I'm going to do it over my bowl here and pour it in. We're pouring in the cornstarch, the cornstarch, the cornstarch. We're pouring. So there's 1. Woo! Look at that powder come up. Hopefully I have enough in here. There's 2. Boop. Looks like might just have enough. There's 3. And there's the rest. We're going to call that 3.5. And then I need my pudding mix. I just used what I had, which was vanilla instant pudding. Use my scissors to cut it open. Cut. I'm going to dump it in there. And then I got cocoa powder. And the cocoa powder calls for 1/4 cup. Okay. Plop, 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 plop. Dump it in. Tap, tap, tap. So it's all in there now. Okay. Move some of my stuff over and give myself some room. So you can see that's all in there. Those are cornstarch, pudding, and cocoa powder. So now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to mix it up. We're mixing up the mix. We're mixing up the mix. Yes, we are. We're mixing up the mix. We're gonna make some mud. And I'm making a big mess. Oh, we'd be having so much fun if we were at school. Yes, I could see this everywhere. So much fun. I miss cooking days with everybody. They're one of the favorites. Alright, so I got this all mixed up pretty well on myself. That's alright. So, if you're not one who loves to make a mess, moms and dads, you might want to do this outside or have like some newspaper or something around you to make sure you're not too messy. If you're one who does, who cares? But if you're not one who cares, you're going to enjoy this one. All right, and then I have a 1/2 cup, and I'm going to start. It says start with a 1/2 cup at a time. It doesn't give a specific amount in the recipe. It just says start with a 1/2 cup, and it just depends the feel you want. If you want it less sticky, I believe, you want to add more. Let me just double check. More water. Oh, excuse me, more cornstarch. Well, if mine is sticky, I'm kind of in trouble because I don't have any more cornstarch. All right, it looks like my water clumped up in one spot, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little more water. Let's see, I brought plenty of water down to my spot here to video, and I'm going to pour that in. I'm going to mix it up. It's okay if you want to use your hands too, and I think I'm going to use my hands. Ooh. It's got a funky feel. It definitely feels like some mud. And I'm going to go ahead and add more. Looks like it's going to make quite a bit, so I bet if you didn't want this much, you could even, do half of the recipe. What I felt so far isn't sticky, but there we go. I can see how it could get sticky. Oh yeah, more water definitely made it sticky. I think just because I didn't have enough water in it. Addie, you want to try it? Addie
What is
came
it?
downstairs. It's like mud. Oobleck it's called. Want to show them on the video?
Is it Ooblex? I don't know what you're talking about.
It's the feel it. Tell them what you think it feels like. I'm doing a video for work. For the kids. Ooh, it smells yummy, doesn't it? What's it smell like, Addie?
I can tell you it's hot chocolate mix.
Oh, it does smell like hot chocolate. Feel it. Okay. Tell them what it feels like. Not taste it. Feel it. What does it feel like?
Cookie dough?
Oh, it feels like cookie dough. So, here it is, gang. I think you definitely want to have a little extra cornstarch on hand because that definitely did help make it not sticky. But, oh, I can see, oh, this is going to be so much fun.
Is this corn?
So you guys enjoy. It is messy. You could even put it on your farm animals and wash it off. But have fun in it. It definitely isn't going to hurt you if you eat it. Just probably wasn't going to taste so good, right? But, oh, this is some good strength. Some
What is this
squeezing.
made with?
You can make all sorts of stuff. You could practice writing your L's. You could even roll it out, make your L's or a 4. So, how's it taste, Addie? Addie's tasting it. What's it taste like? Anything?
Tastes good.
No, she says it's good. I'm not going to
Tastes
try it,
kind of
but
like granola.
oh, granola. But here it is. All right, gang, have
what did you make?
fun. Enjoy. I know I am. Bye.